even though China is sticking to the zero COVID policy, but we've seen some changes, right? I don't think we'll repeat the scale of extended lockdowns like what we've been through in Shanghai in April and May. And also, I hope that, they would have learned a lesson to minimize the disruption to people's daily lives, right? They would still allow, logistics, the e-commerce deliveries, after all, in the past 2-3 months, we have seen progresses, like, they've relaxed the quarantine requirement for international visitors. The National Pension Medicare Fund is no longer paying for these PCR tests. So I think we've seen some positive developments, even though we are seeing some rebound in COVID cases. We've seen a few more cities start to do this mass testing, but I doubt we'll go back to that extended lockdown like we've been through in second quarter.
All right, so within that environment, how are you reading the broader prospects for the economy? And you're quite bullish, as to be fair, as are a number of people. Where are you seeing the value, and how would you play this opportunity?
Yeah, so we called for a second half rally in late May when our proprietary WEX and Win WNW indicator reached the very bullish signal. And for the past few weeks, the WNW indicator is still in very bullish zone. So we stay positive. We advise investors to ride on the rally and take these short-term corrections as the buying opportunities. Looking into third quarter, we could have some volatilities, whether it's from such rebounding COVID cases, volatilities in external market, or potentially from bad result, property default. There could still be bad newses, but generally speaking, looking at the bigger picture, the worst in terms of corporate earnings, the disruptions, COVID cases, those should be behind us in second quarter already. And with the low base, first half next year, China should have a relatively nice recovery of earnings. And also importantly, heading into the 4Q with the Party Congress, we should get more policy clarity for China's plan and policy for next decade. And hopefully, market can thrive on the prospect that China will further deepen its reforms and opening to drive sustained earnings growth, sustained economic growth and prosperity.